Hey Facebookers, how are we doing today? Welcome to Muir's Cooking Adventures. I finally got a channel on Facebook to make it a bit easier for you guys to comment and share your own photos, write anything on the videos if you need to know any more, all that kind of stuff. So instead of YouTube, we'll bring it here and we'll see how this goes and make it a bit easy for you guys. Okay, little video, I'm going to do a couple little brekkie videos this morning to start off with. First one's going to be poached eggs. Easy peasy poached eggs, but I see a lot of people stuff them up, so I'm just going to give you a little quick video and just show you how I do my poached eggs, which I think I've probably poached near 1 million of these bad boys now. I don't know, it's been a few. So I'm just going to use 2 this morning, nothing too major. I've got my water up to boil, but then I'm going to turn it down because you don't want it hard boiling because it's just going to make your eggs explode and pull the whites away from the yolks and all that kind of stuff. So get it up to a hard boil and then pull it back down to a soft boil, just a really light bubble. Anyway, that's what we call it. White vinegar, any kind of white vinegar. You can see I'm using cheap. You can use white wine vinegar if you want as well. So nothing. Don't put heaps in, guys. Just a little splash. I see some people put a lot of vinegar in their water, and you can taste the vinegar in your egg. So you just need a little bit of water, a little bit of vinegar. Sorry, not too much. This is just to hold the egg whites together, and it's going to make them look a bit better and not look like little shiny ugly things. Another little tip I use, I spin the water. It's all about the crack, I reckon, on a poached egg. If you just dump it in, it's just going to explode on the bottom of the pot and it's going to look like a flat ugly egg. So yeah, my little tip is I give my water a spin. You don't want to spin it too quick, obviously, because it's going to rip the yolk straight out of the egg white again. So yeah, just get the water just moving. If you've got a bigger pot, it's a lot easier, but these are only for me, so obviously I don't need a massive pot, but you'll see as it rolls around the pan, that's when it's going to start turning into a little ball and stuff like that. So crack them in, roll it around. Like I said, if you've got a bigger pot, it's going to be a lot easier because they actually get time to move the space to roll around. But there you go, as easy as that pretty much, guys. So they're in now. They're probably only going to go for like about 2.5 minutes, like not too long at all, and that should give you pretty much a perfect poach. But at the end of that, I'll come back when I'm about to pull them out and I'll show you how it's done. But yeah, it's only going to be a couple of minutes. So thanks, guys. Thanks again. I'll pop it in now and let you know. Thanks for watching these videos, following the page and all that as well. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully we get this up and going. I'm going to try and just stack a few videos. I've got a list of stuff I want to do, so it's going to be good fun. If there's anything you want me to do too, send me a message or write in a comment, because that's the fun thing with Facebook now. You can just PM me, mate, and we'll go from there. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so we're back now. These have been about 2.5 minutes, 2.5, 3 minutes, and as you can see, they're ready to go. So nothing too hard at all. So I mean, give the water a bit of spin. Vinegar's your tip. If you don't have vinegar, it's all in vinegar and the crack of the egg. So that's what I mean. Just don't dump the egg straight in the pot because it's just going to explode on the bottom. Try and like hang it in there or just crack it in the egg, water nice and slow, sorry. And you need that water to be spinning a little bit just so it can keep rolling around and turn them into little balls, like I said for you. But yeah, as you can see, nothing hard about poached eggs. Nice little balls. You can see they're nice and squishy. If you want them hard, do another minute or two. But you can see that's just your poached eggs. So like, put them on a chucks or a cloth so you can drain all the water out of them. And then yeah, bang, you got your eggs that are ready in the middle, like perfect eggs. Like nothing hard about poached eggs at all, guys. Like I said, vinegar, spin the water, and timing 2.5, 3 minutes. Any further than that, like if I put them in there for another 30 seconds, they'll be pretty much hard in the middle. And if you know you're not going to eat them straight away, pull them out 30 seconds less in the water because they're still going to be cooking while they're sitting on the chucks cloth. So just pull them out a little bit quicker, sorry. And then by the time you sit down or pour your coffee and all that kind of stuff, they'll be ready to eat. Pretty perfect. All you need is salt and pepper and whatever else you want in your breakfast. So yeah, there's my little poached egg video, guys. Thanks for watching it. I hope they're helping. Thanks for following the channel. Share it around. Show everyone. Tell everyone. Because hopefully we can get this up and going. And I'm just going to try and stack videos coming up in here and having a bit of fun with you guys. And yeah, like I said, just write to me if you just need to know anything. Send me a PM because that's as easy as it is now. There's no right and wrong in here. It's all about fun. And I want to learn off you guys too. So thanks a lot. See you next video. Peace.